Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change the Safari background on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, open your Safari and get to the new tab just like this. So in your new tab here, you can get the edit button right here. Simply tap on it. And then from here, you can see these are all of the background images right here. You can select either of those images, or you can tap on this plus icon right here and then get to the gallery of your phone and select a image just like this. And if you want this as your background in your Safari, you can see it has already been selected. And here you can see this has been selected as my background. I'm again going to tap on edit. And if I don't like this, I can tap on the default background like this one. Here you can see it is now being downloaded. And now it has successfully selected this background. And now I can simply go back. Here you can see just like this, you can change your Safari background on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.